Imagine making money while you sleep. No more trading hours for dollars. Whether you're a writer, designer, or just looking to make extra income on the side, there are simple ways to start earning passive income today. Here are some of the easiest and most profitable methods to turn your spare time into cash with minimal effort. High-yield online savings accounts. One way to earn passive income is by investing your money in high-yield savings accounts. These accounts offer interest rates, allowing you to grow your savings with little effort. Examples of such accounts include Capital One, Ally, and Betterment. By transferring your money into these accounts, you can earn a steady flow of passive income just by keeping it there and letting the interest accumulate. Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. Another popular method is self-publishing books through Amazon KDP, even niche books like crossword puzzle books or journals, without worrying about printing or shipping. Amazon handles all aspects of the process, from printing to distribution, making it a great way to create a passive income stream. Once your book is published, it can continue to sell for years. Generate income with little extra effort to no additional effort on your part. Amazon Merch on Demand, T-shirt design. Designing T-shirts is another way to generate passive income. With Amazon Merch on Demand, you can create custom T-shirt designs and sell them on Amazon. Amazon takes care of everything from printing to shipping, and you earn a royalty on every shirt sold. The best part is that once you've created and uploaded your designs, you don't need to do anything else to make sales. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way in which you can promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. To get started, you can sign up for affiliate programs with companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Share your affiliate links. Share your affiliate links on your blog, social media platforms, or YouTube channel. As you create more content and attract a larger audience, affiliate marketing can become a consistent and passive source of income. YouTube channel. Running a YouTube channel is another excellent way to earn passive income. By creating high-quality content, particularly educational or niche videos, you can generate revenue through ads placed on your videos. The more engaging and helpful your content is, the more likely it is to attract viewers and subscribers, leading to increased ad revenue. Educational content typically pays more in ads, making it an ideal niche to explore. Found this useful? Like and subscribe for more passive income tips. Have questions? Drop a comment. I'm here to help.